Hey bro, look at this kiwi I just found. Okay bro, but can I please have my update video? But kiwi, give me my update video! Okay, geez, fine, okay. Okay guys, so there is a new update. And yeah, I haven't done one of these in a while. My last Gorilla Tag video is an animation video. So let's get a closer look. Monkey blocks. Share my blocks. No, I'm not going to share you with my blocks. A new space has opened for shared builds. Find the passage in the builder room. Journey to the new area. Set your backdrop. Load in your map. Load a friend's or load in a friend's. No, bro. Load a friend's map and watch it come to life. The room is big enough for friends. Dream it, build it, share it. This is the Gorilla Tag catchphrase for monkey blocks, or as they say, builders area. So let's go. Let's check out the new cosmetic and stuff like this. So yeah, let's mute everyone because I feel like it. And let's check out. So first of all, we have this. Well, anyways, we also have this. What is this bald man, bruh? Bro, why is he bald? And we got these two. I actually have the bandana. And we got this. Oh, there's a monkey. Well, get out of my way, purple monkey. And we have this and this. Whoa, this is good for hair. And let's go. Oh wait, I think I forgot to. Yeah, okay. Now let's check out. So wow, we have all of these cosmetics. Look at all of them. Look at their greatest glory. Wow. Yeah, and there's this. Wow, that's a big forehead. And these cartoonish looking eyes, and we have those. Horsey, yeah. I know I'm kind of boring, yeah. I am probably boring you to death. So let's do this cool thingy. So yeah, let's do it. And this is Monkey Blocks. You probably know Monkey Blocks if you play Gorilla Tag. If you don't know, Monkey Blocks is basically Lego and Gorilla Tag. So yeah, and as you see, wait a minute, this thing wasn't usually there. So let's get it, yeah, bro. So yeah, guys, let's do it. As you see, we have this. And this is how it looks like. So we have this. And yeah, I'm basically going to go all around the map. You can watch if you want. It's kind of speedy.
Oh, the jungle VIP. I reached the top and I hit to stop, and that's what's bothering me.
I wanna be a man maker and stroll right into town and be just like them other men. I'm tired of mugging around.
Oh, they do.
I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too.
You'll see it's true. Don't try to kid me, man, cuz I made a deal with you. What I desire is man's red fire to make my dream come true.
Now give me the secret, man, cuz come on, clue me what to do. Give me the power of a man's red flower so I can be like you.
Oh, baby.
as you see, it was very but very hard. It took me 8 minutes. Oh, wait, it may not show here, or it may be restarted a lot of times, but yeah, it took me a lot of time. And look at this roof. I worked hard for a good reason, and this is it. So anyways, let's do the part that you all been waiting for. We jump! Whee! Wait a minute, where am I? You're in the Kiwi realm. Why did you steal my coffee?